Ayan, dahan-dahan ko siyang tatanggalin. Oh, yes, it's perfect. Para naman sa ating leche flan or yung custard, we need egg yolk, of course, condensed milk, a little bit of cream, and then before nyo i-add yung inyong ibap milk, kailangan siya medyo i-mix na natin. Para mahalong maigi yung cream and yung first, isip natin ang mga dry ingredients. So, this is the cake flour. Baking powder. Salt. And of course, yung sugar. So, pag na-sift na natin lahat ng dry ingredients, i-combine natin siya maigi. Then, at the center, maglagay tayo ng space para sa mga wet ingredients. So, start ako sa 4 egg yolks, milk, oil, and yung ating fresh ube. So, yung iba, gumagamit siya ng ube powder. But I prefer using this frozen ube. And of course, yung ating ube flavoring and violet food color para ma-enhance lalo yung kanyang flavor and of course yung kanyang kulay. And then, mix lang natin sila ng maigi. So, napaka-dark na color. Pero, once na inad mo yung meringue, magle-lighten siya. So, that's why kailangan natin maglagay ng violet food color. So, once na well combine na siya, set aside lang natin while we're making the meringue. So, ganito dapat ang kanyang texture. So, for the meringue, we're going to use this whisk attachment. And then, yung egg whites, lagay natin siya. And, of course, yung cream of tartar. Start tayo from low, and then increase gradually yung kanyang speed. So, i-combine na natin yung egg whites dun sa ating egg yolk mixture. So, in 3 addition, ilalagay mo yung kanyang egg whites. So, okay lang sa unang addition, hindi pa ma-combine lahat. So, sa last na addition, kailangan wala ng white. Make sure yung sa ilalim, mix din. na siya. Combine na. So, our cake batter is ready. So, ito na yung pan na nilagyan ko ng caramelized sugar kanina. So, set na siya and malamig na. So, maraming nagtatanong, paano ba gawin yung custard cake? Kailangan bang i-bake muna yung leche flan? Or separate bang binibake yung custard and yung cake? So, ganito ang kanyang process. So, kanina pinakita ko yung pag-caramelize ng sugar. And then, after that, kailangan yung leche flan or yung custard mixture nyo ang isusunod. So, hindi po i-separate ng bake yung leche flan at yung ating cake. So, ito yung pan na to. I recommend to put at least 2.5 cup of your mixture. Pwede mo rin namang lahatin, but I suggest, lalo na kung pang-benta nyo or pang business, okay na yung 2.5 cups of mixture. So, this recipe, pwede siyang maging dalawang 8 inches pan. So, I think yung thickness niya is around half an inch. So, ito na siya. And then, yun, ito na, paano nilalagay yung cake batter. So, kaya ang kailangan cake dito is yung mga chiffon base or sponge base. Kasi nga, magaan lang siya. So, pag gumamit ka ng mga dense cake, like yung moist cake or yung butter cake, hindi siya aangat. Kundi, pag na-bake siya, magkukumbine siya, which is para siyang pudding. Sobrang tamis at walang layering ng custard at ng cake. And last but not the least, don't forget to use bain-marie method while baking this cake. So, bain-marie is yung parang water bath. So, mas bigger size ng pan, lalagyan mo siya ng water, at least 1/4 yung height, bago mo ilagay yung pan. Hindi siya pwedeng i-direct na i-bake kasi masusunog lang yung kanyang custard. So, bake natin siya for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So, here is our finished product. So, as you can see, medyo dark yung kanyang top. Pero okay lang yan kasi tatanggalin naman natin to, i-level natin to. Pero ako, personally, hindi ko na siya tinatanggal kasi masarap siya sa akin na. Or pwede din, after 45 minutes ng pagkasalang mo, you can put foil. Pwede mo siyang buksan, lagyan mo ng foil to prevent na masyadong dark. So, i-level ko siya. So, you see, this is the cake. Kapag tatanggalin na natin siya sa pan, gumamit tayo ng spatula straight, and then gently padaanan natin yung lahat ng sides, making sure na hindi mo madadamage yung side, especially yung leche flan. Then, I'm going to put it in this cake board. Pero since may syrup siya, magpapasiguro lang ako kasi usually niyan, yung syrup niya is natatapon or napupunta sa side. So, ayan, hoping na perfect yung pagkagawa ko. So, ayan, dahan-dahan ko siyang tatanggalin. Oops. Oh, yes, it's perfect. Yung layer ng leche flan, sakto lang yung kanyang thickness, which is I think half an inch. Then, yung ating ube cake. So, this is our Ube Custard Cake. So, hope you like it, guys. Try nyo siya and then let me know kung ano yung outcome sa'yo. Okay, till our next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell for more baking videos. Happy baking, Sassies!